Hey kids, it's Mrs. Compton again. Hopefully you have seen me around school or in your classroom, more than likely in your classroom. And we're here today to do a number talk. And in this number talk, you are only going to get to use your brain. No tools and no paper. No pencil, no paper. So we're going to check out a number talk today. And I want to see how you solve this. How would you solve 7 plus 7 plus 7? What would you do? So think about it. Take some time. You can use your heart signal even at home. So you can put your hand right here to think. Maybe you have 2. All right, let's hear it. On the count of 3, I want you to tell me what you got. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Tell me. Did you say 21? Maybe you did. All right, so let's check it out. 7 plus 7 plus 7 is 21. And I bet I know, check out Chip, I bet I know how some of you did this. I'm going to guess you probably said there is, inside of a 7, there is a 5 and a 2. And I bet you did that for all of them. So inside of each 7, make 7 on your fingers. Can you see it? There's a 5 and then there's a 2. So I bet you said 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. And 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. And I bet when you were thinking about how to add 15 and 6 together, I'm going to guess you found another 5 inside of the 6. Am I right? Did you think about that? So now you have 15. So that 15 plus 5 more is 20. So you got that 5 done. And then you have that 1 more. So 20 plus 1 is 21. So 21 would be your answer. I have a couple more guesses though. I'm going to guess that some of you did something a little bit different. So I'm going to guess that some of you may have even used the 120 chart in your mind. All right, everybody say hi to Chip. Say bye, Chip. He's going to go now. All right, so I'm going to guess that some of you probably use that 120 chart in your mind because we use it all the time in class, right? So here's our 120 chart. So my guess is some of you started right here and you thought, okay, if I hopped 7 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that would represent 7 plus 7. And then you would have to hop 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you landed on 21. So maybe some of you guys did that. And I have one last guess. I'm going to see if I get it. Tell me if I get it right in the comments. See if I got your guess. Or how you solve. Not your guess. How you solve. All right. I'm going to guess that some of you did 7 and 7. 7 plus 7 makes 14. Because you know your double stacks in first grade, don't you? All right. So then 14 plus 7. Maybe you knew 14 plus 6 would make a 20. And you still had to add that 1 more from the 7. Now remember, you're doing all of this in your mind, right? No paper. I'm just guessing how you may have solved 7 plus 7 plus 7. All right, are you ready to try another one? We're going to try one that's a little bit different. So let's do, I'm going to give you a challenge. Let's see. Let's do 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. Oh my gosh. I gave you 4 9s. How would you do this? Okay, get your heart ready, your heart signal. Ready to go? Think about it. Do you have another way that you could solve this? All right, I'm ready to hear some answers. 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 equals, 1, 2, 3, tell me. Did I hear 36? I think I did. All right, 36 is what I think I heard. Okay, so I'm going to guess some of you may have used the 120 chart because if you start at 9 and you go down 1 row, you've added 10. But we're just supposed to add 9. So my guess is you probably added 10 and then went there. Did I get it right? And then maybe you added another 9, but you did a hop of 10 first and then you took 1 away. And then maybe you did it again. Did you take a hop of 10 and then take 1 away and then you landed on 36? That could be. Or maybe you just thought of the 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 as 10. Oops. So maybe you added 1 and pretended to make 10s at first. So maybe you did 10, 10, 10, and 10. Maybe you did 10, 20, 30, 40, and then you took off the 4 extra ones that you added. So maybe you did 10, 20, 30, 40, minus 1 extra would be 39, 38, 37, 36. You got it. So who knows how you did it? I don't know, but I want to find out. So will you tell me in the comments how you solved 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9? I want to see what you guys did. All right. Are you guys ready? We're going to hear our story problem. Here it comes. Got to get our board ready, though. So in our story problem, just like in class, you can use pencil and paper. The number talks just to get us ready for our story problem, right? Because we know that they connect. So we're going to hear our story problem, and then you're going to grab your pencil and your paper, and you're going to solve, and then you're going to turn in your story problem to your teacher. So maybe she wants you to post it on Flipgrid. Maybe she wants you to post it or just show your parents. Who knows? So you'll have to check in with your teacher for the last part. But are you ready to hear the story? Here it is. You guys, I know sometimes you have seen me try to draw before, and drawing is something I'm still working on. I'm still working on my artistic skills. So I really tried hard to draw this duck. I did pretty good. I had a student once named Grace, and she was the best artist, and so I tried to take some drawing lessons from her. So I think she'd be proud of me for this. All right, here we go. Ducks. There were ducks swimming in each pond. Okay, so there were ducks swimming in each pond. Okay, so there's going to be more than one pond. I know that. There were ponds. Oh, that's right. We're going to have more than one pond. How many ducks were there all together? All right. So tell me something you know for sure in the story. What do you know for sure? Tell me. Okay, you know for sure we're trying to find out how many ducks there were all together. Okay, tell me for sure what we will know. What will we know? We will know how many ducks there were in each pond, and we will know how many ponds there are. All right, are you ready to see your just right number set? All right, here we go. Your just right number set might be 7 and 4 Or your just right number set might be 7 and 8. Or it might be, getting bigger, 17 and 7. Or, oh my goodness, are you ready for this? This is a big one. 29 and 17. Now, if you're choosing one of these, you want to have really good, clear strategies to solve these, right? So, can't wait to see which one you choose. Maybe you're going to choose 7 and 4. Maybe it's 7 and 8, and so on. But remember, kids, you have to choose a set of numbers together. So if you choose this one, it has to stay together. If you choose this one, it has to stay together. So let's say I choose this one. The 7's my first sticky. It has to go right here. And the 4 is my second one. It has to go right here. So then there were 7 ducks swimming in each pond. There were 4 ponds. How many ducks were there all together? So we're trying to find out if there were 7 ducks in each pond, how many ducks there were all together. All right, so choose your just right number set. Grab your tools. Maybe you have some counters at home. Maybe you have some dry pasta at home that you're using. Grab a counter, grab a tool, grab a piece of paper and a pencil, and follow your teacher's directions on how to turn this in. See you later, guys. I hope to see you back in class soon. Bye.